Hello to all my Rad Bavarian family, supporters, subscribers, followers. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to take some time during Thanksgiving to just do a quick video and say thank you to all of you that have supported my channel, watched my channel, left some comments, liked it, shared it. I mean, honestly, anything is really helpful, and I am just honored that all of you have taken the time to watch my content. I did this for you. You know, I'm on my second build. This is my F36, my 440i Grand Coupe, and I've done quite a few things to it. And it's been a fun journey, and there's a lot more content coming. And again, I just want to share my gratitude to all of you, especially today during Thanksgiving Day. Today is November 25th. And I just wanted to say again, guys, just thank you so much. We have hit over 1,500 subscribers, and I am excited to hit 2,000, and I can't wait to hit the 5,000 and the 10,000 and just see what God provides. Honestly, I am here to just give you guys the best value, support. I'm very active in the comments section, and I love dialoguing with all of you, even offside of YouTube. You know, here's my Instagram, and I've been getting a lot of DMs from people that are interested in doing things to their F30, their N20 motor. And I'm here to help and support, you know, with what I've learned, what I've been through with owning an F30 and now an F36 for a span of possibly 4 or 5 years. And it's been fun, guys. I have a lot of partnerships already in place. In fact, I just launched my parts list. So if you guys wanted to get your hands on that parts list and see all the parts I've installed on my cars, click the link in my description. It'll take you to a presentation board, a slide deck, if you will, that features all of my parts, and I will be continually updating that with every new parts that I am going to get into my car. There is an affiliate link attached to it, so I am going to get compensated from these companies, just a small percentage, nothing extra to you, but it's just a way of me working with a company and they compensate me. Very small, but it makes a difference with me just cranking out videos like this and putting in a lot of work into editing them and filming and making sure that the content is up to par for you guys. So that's one way you can support me. Obviously, if you like, comment, and share this video, it also supports the channel. But guys, this video is mainly just me telling all of you, thank you so much. There's more content coming. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy it with your loved ones, and we'll see you guys soon.